they ask that you need to prove that AC, so they want you to prove that AC is perpendicular to BD, or BD is perpendicular to AC. So hulle wil hê, jy moet bewys dat BD loodreg is op AC. So when is two lines perpendicular, or how can we prove that two lines are perpendicular in analytical geometry? Hoe kan ons bewys dat twee lyne loodreg is op mekaar in analytiese meetkunde? So if we find the gradient of both of these lines, so as die gradient van BD en AC kry, and if we times them with one another, as ons hulle met mekaar maal, then we must get the answer of 1. So dis presies wat ons gaan doen. Ons gaan die gradient van AC kry en BD, so we can find the gradient of line AC and BD. We are going to multiply together and see if we get the answer of -1. So kom ons kyk gou. Lyn AB. So as ons die gradient van AC uitwerk, gaan ons sê IC min IA gedeel deur XC minus XA. If we want to calculate the gradient of BD, we are going to say YD minus YC XD minus XC. En al wat ons nou gaan doen is, ons gaan ons waardes invervang. So IC het ons uitgewerk is -6, IA is -4, maar min gee vir my 'n plus, is +4. XC is 12. XA is -2, so dit gaan wees +2, want 'n negatief maar 'n negatief gee vir my 'n positief. -6 + 4 gee vir my -2. 12 plus 2 gee vir my 14. As ek dit vereenvoudig, 2 kan bo en onder indeel, gaan ek hê -1 op 7. Okay, so let's quickly go to line BD. YD will be -5. YC, oh, it's not YC, it's YB. Let me just change it here. Hierdie moes B gewees het, B. Okay, so YB is going to be -2. XD is 5. And XB is going to give me 6. And that's -6. Okay, so let's quickly see. Then we're going to say -5 minus 2 is going to give me -7. 5 minus 6 gives me -1. And then a negative divided by a negative gives me a positive. 7 divided by 1 gives me 7. And then I'm just going to go and I'm going to multiply the two gradients together. So I can say MAC mol met MBD. And this must then give me an answer of -1. So kom ons kyk. As ons sê -1 op 7 mol met 7. If we simplify this, the 7's can cancel out. So my answer is going to be -1. So dit bewys vir my dan dat lyn AC, lyn BD loodreg is op lyn AC. So it proves that line BD is perpendicular to line AC.